Ever feel like you're staring at a scrambled mess when you try to open your Twilio CSV file? Let's fix that. First, locate the Twilio CSV file you downloaded from your Twilio account. This typically contains valuable information about your call logs, message history, or other data you've exported. Now, instead of just double-clicking to open the file, launch your preferred spreadsheet program, such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or any other CSV-compatible software. Go to File in the menu bar, and then select Import. This will open a dialog box that allows you to specify how the file should be opened. In the Import dialog box, make sure to select CSV, as the file type. The key here is the delimiter. Twilio CSV files typically use commas as delimiters, so ensure that's selected. Next, and this is crucial, check the text encoding choose UTF-8 as the encoding option to ensure all characters, especially special characters, are displayed correctly. Finally, click Import or OK to load the data. Your Twilio CSV file should now open with columns neatly separated, allowing you to easily analyze your call durations, message details, and other vital information. Now you can leverage this clean data to create reports, track key performance indicators, and gain valuable insights from your Twilio communications. Happy analyzing!